Hello, so today I'm back with another deep condition wash day video, this time using the marshmallow root powder as a natural detangler. For those of you who are new to my channel, I'm Mrs.Cowart. Welcome to my relaxed hair care channel. My mission is to teach women around the world that they can take care of their relaxed hair at home too. I also have a new home DIY series that I'm starting on my channel, and I would love for you all to watch, subscribe, and comment your supportive thoughts on each video. Now that I've introduced myself, let's talk about why I'm using marshmallow root powder in my deep conditioner. I did a video a few years ago on the benefits of marshmallow root powder. If you have not watched that video, check it out in the iCards above, and it also will be listed in the description for your convenience. All products also that I'm using are going to be listed in the description as well. There are so many benefits that come from using marshmallow root, all of which are key to healthy hair growth. However, before applying the deep conditioner, I finger detangle each section of my hair. Marshmallow root is an herb that grows abundantly in the Eastern Europe, North Africa, and Northern India area. Based on research, marshmallow root is high in antioxidants, amino acid, and provides optimal scalp nutrition, which thereby creates a perfect environment for increased hair growth. Marshmallow root is said to be a natural detangler, a conditioner for dry scalp. It restores heat-damaged hair, it prevents breakage, it nourishes the hair, it also thickens the hair strands, it also makes the hair soft and flexible, and also gives the hair a natural bounce and body. So again, these are just a few of marshmallow root's benefits. If you tried it before, comment down below your true results. Also, if you have not tried it before, comment down below if you're looking for a natural detangler and may try it. As you all can see here, I have very thick relaxed hair, and I always apply my deep conditioner from root to tip, so a lot of times I'm using more than just that one bowl. I'm usually having to go back in with a second bowl, in which you'll see here that I did make another batch of the deep conditioner marshmallow root powder. And as always, I do use a grocery store bag as my cap. And then I sat under my steamer for 45 to 50 minutes. I really hope you all can see how soft my hair looks and how I'm able to finger detangle my hair. I'm literally able to glide my fingers down my hair strands because of the deep conditioner. I am in love with the results. My hair feels healthy, it looks healthy, it's getting longer. I'm able to obviously retain length. Definitely, if you have not tried the marshmallow root powder as a deep conditioner, you have to give it a try. If not, for the benefits alone, definitely look at my results so that you can use it as a detangler. And I just want to say that it is like 2 o'clock in the morning that I am doing a voiceover, so if I'm not as giddy, geeked, hype as I usually am, just know that it is in the morning and my baby is asleep, and I just gotta keep it quiet. So during this wash day, I did not actually shampoo my hair. I just deep conditioned. I am going to start just shampooing my hair maybe like once a month, just so I can preserve all of my natural oils and not dry out my hair throughout the month. After stepping out of the shower, I did use a t-shirt drying method. This helps to prevent breakage. I do find that using the t-shirt method leaves my hair feeling softer as well as moisturized. It's almost like the towel just depletes the moisture that you put into your hair, or some of the moisture that you put into your hair. It just gives the hair a different feel with the t-shirt drying method. Next, I'm going in with a quarter-size cheese silk infusion heat protectant. I like to rub this throughout my hair strands as well as my edges. It just gives again that silk feeling and knowing that my hair is protected from the heat. So my hair is about 75 to 80% dry. I'm just running my fingers throughout my hair and just look at my hair. It is so manageable. It's so, look at my hair. Look, my fingers are gliding throughout my hair. What product do you know, natural product do you know at that can allow your hair to be detangled like this? The mixed pieces that you also see in my hair, I want to just make sure you all understand that that is from my clove oil that I showed you all the mix of. If y'all have not joined that challenge, that rapid extreme hair growth oil, definitely join the challenge. Find out how I made the mix. It is all natural ingredients and it is giving my hair so much shine, so much growth. I am just loving the results. Even my edges are growing back. So finally, as you see here, I am blow drying the rest of my hair, in which this took about maybe 10, maybe 15 minutes because it was mostly already dry. And again, my results, my hair was soft. I want to make sure I mention that I blow dry my hair on cool air. I do not blow dry my hair anymore on heat. This allows my hair to keep its moisture. It also allows to avoid any heat damage. So I am loving the softness that it leaves, also the shine, the natural shine. And again, my hair feels so soft, so bouncy, and again, it's detangled by a natural product. I also want to mention again that I am 12 weeks post relaxer, so I have a lot of new growth that I am dealing with. So deep conditioning, especially with this marshmallow root powder, is a must for anyone who's wishing to stretch the relaxers. And just like that, I'm ready to be in a commercial. Maybe Maybelline? I don't know. You all tell me. I hope you all found this video informative. I hope you also implement the marshmallow root powder into your hair journey, because this will be a staple in my products moving forward. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe, like this video, share it with anybody else who is interested in natural hair growth products, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye, dolls.